Welcome to Beautonic Life Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make super delicious fluffy keto pancakes. The recipe will be posted below the video. Let's get started. And now I will combine all the wet ingredients. What I have here is eggs, avocado oil, heavy whipping cream and vanilla extract. Let me whisk the eggs first. You can also use the blender to combine all the wet ingredients. Now I am whisking all ingredients until they are well combined. Okay, let's add dry ingredients. Sipping here is very important to make our pancakes rise beautifully. I'm using almond flour, and then we have sweetener. I love Swerve. And baking powder. And like usual, I am adding my Celtic salt to enhance the flavor. Now I am combining all ingredients. Okay, here is the consistency of the batter. Now it's time to make our pancakes. I am using a special pan, not only because I love making pancakes, but I want all my pancakes be in the same shape. For cooking, I'm using avocado oil, but you can also use coconut for the extra flavor. Okay, so our pancakes are ready. They smell very delicious and they were very easy to put together. So now I will serve them with fresh berries and keto-friendly syrup. I love this sweet leaf brand, and this is the blueberry flavor. Our pancakes are ready to eat. Enjoy it!